In this video, I will show you how to add a favicon in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside the homepage of my website, and to add a favicon, just go to website settings, then click on general settings. Next to favicon, click on update, then hit replace image. In your case, it may be upload image. Now you can use one of the photos from your library. If you don't have a favicon made yet, you can use this simple website. It's called favicon.io. Click on generator from the top menu. And in my website case, it's called Ben's Adventures. I will go with the letter B. As you can see, this is a preview of the favicon. You can edit the text or the favicon colors. I will go with white and black. This is my favicon. Click on download. As you can see, it is downloaded in a zip format. I will click on it to decompress it. Now go back again to your Hostinger website builder and click on upload files. Locate your favicon on your computer and hit upload or open. Click on select on your new favicon and it will be showing here. Click on save, then update your website. And this is how to add a favicon in Hostinger website builder. Let's visit my website. And this is my new favicon icon showing in the browser tab.